Hi children, today let us learn about part 3 of chapter 7. Okay, let's see page number 104. Which festival comes first? Okay, let's see. Given below are some festivals we celebrate during the year. Look at the calendar 2006 to find the days on which of this. Why? Because in my textbook 2006 calendar is there, and in your textbooks 2018 calendar is there. You just write like that. Find the days on which this fall. Okay, name of the festival, date, day. So using date you just write that day. Diwali October 21. So in which day? Pongal January 14. In which day? Saturday. Raksha Bandhan August 9, Wednesday. And Gandhi Jayanti October 2, Monday. Milad April 11, Tuesday. Onam September 5, Tuesday. Guru Nayak's birthday November 5, Sunday. Guru Ravidas birthday February 13, Monday. Christmas Day December 25, Monday. Bihu April 14, Friday. These are the days. I am using 2006 calendar. So these dates, using these dates I am writing day. Okay, you just also using this you just write this day's name. Arrange the festivals in order in which they come in the year. So month wise, first month is January. In January which festival is there? Pongal January 14, Guru Ravidas February 13, and Milad April 11, Bihu April 14, Raksha Bandhan August 9, Onam September 5, Gandhi Jayanti October 2, Diwali October 21, Guru Nayak's birthday November 5, Christmas December. Which festival comes in the beginning of the year? Pongal. Why? Because first month is January. January 14 we celebrate Pongal. And which festival comes at the end of the year? Christmas. So last month of the year is December. In December last festival is Christmas. Next we just see page number 105, calendar magic. Okay, let's see the magic. Here is the calendar for the month of February 2017. Let us mark a square on the calendar and see some magic. Okay, so February, here one box is there. Which is the number in the center of the square? Which is the middle number? Center of the number? 13. Join three numbers by drawing a line. The line must be passed through the number at the center. So through the center of number. How many such lines can you draw? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. Add the three numbers on each of these lines. What do you notice? So I am just adding three numbers in each side. The total is 39. Okay, the total is 39. Now look at the calendar of 2016 also. Look for the present month and draw any similar square in your notebook. Does the magic work for this? Okay, let's see. So we just open calendar, and so now we are in which month? September. In September I am just circle these dates: 11, 12, 13, 18, 19, 20, 25, 26, 27, and this is the square box. So next draw lines 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's do 11 plus 19 plus 27, and next 13 plus 19 plus 25, 18 plus 19 plus 20, so 12 plus 19 plus the line throughout the in middle number, center number. So in middle 19 is there. 11. So 27, 20, 30, 40, 50, 57. So 57, 57, 57, and this is the magic. Okay, you yourself also you just do any other month. Okay, children. Next we just see the next in this magic possible on 10 into 10 numbers chart. Go to the chapter fun with numbers and check. Next, more magical. March 2017. Okay, I can add 5 numbers in the box. A moment. Oh, that will take some time. So we are adding one at a time. It takes some time. So the total is 75. That's right. How did you do that? Simple. Just multiply the middle number by 5. Okay. See if this magic works for other lines which have 5 numbers. What about 5 numbers on a 75? 9. Try this slatting line. Try this trick with your family and friends. Can you find the other magic pattern in calendar? You just find other pattern also, and now we just see this trick is useful or not. So I am just taking these 5 numbers. So in middle number we just multiply 5. So I am just multiplying 16 5s. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 50, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 3 8. So let's add again. 2 9 16 23 30, 11 17 17 20, 5 8. Same answers. Yes, this is also possible, and yourself also you just try. And next we just see complete the calendar for August 2006. So complete this calendar using we have calendar months like this. Using this you just fill this box and color all the Sundays in red. After that they are asking some questions. Let's do. On which day does this month end? Thursday. What day it is on 13 August? 13 August is Sunday. Sunday. What is the date on the second Saturday? Second Saturday. 12/8/2006. Is 21st a Sunday? No. 21st is Monday. What is the day on the 29th? 29th is Tuesday. What will be the date on the same day next week? Next week same day 5/9/2006. So how many Thursdays are there in this month? How many Thursdays are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 Thursdays. Find out. Which months in the calendar 2006 have 5 Sundays? December, January, April, July, October. Is there any other days in any months which comes 5 times? All the 7 days are coming 5 times different months in the year 2006. Can you there be 6 Sundays in a month? Why? No, because each month has only 4 weeks in it, and there will be 1 Sunday per week. Okay children, and this is part 3 of chapter 7.